We're talking about making offers and accepting offers. Right now I want to talk about one kind of offer. Oftentimes the thing people think about most when they think about an offer on stage, which is a verbal offer, a line of dialogue. It's anything you say on stage is an offer. And we're going to show you what it's like to make a verbal offer and to look at all the implications of that verbal offer and then to accept that offer. So Shannon is going to start a scene with me, and he's going to start the scene with a verbal offer.
Hello, Miss Johnson. I brought you an apple.
Excellent. Great. Hello, Miss Johnson. I brought you an apple. So there's all kinds of information directly we can pull from that, and also information that's implied in that. So one is we get an endowment offer, Mrs. Johnson. So I know that my character is a woman. I'm named Mrs. Johnson, and that I have a formal relationship with him where he would call me Mrs. Johnson. It sounds like teacher, but we're not 100% sure yet. But that's implied. It looks like there's a teacher-student relationship implied. I brought you an apple. So there's the idea that there's an apple here, and he's bringing a gift. So maybe there's some information about why that gift exchange is happening. And so what I'm going to do, Shannon now is going to give that offer again, that verbal offer, and I'm going to accept that offer. I'm going to yes and it, in fact.
Hi, Mrs. Johnson. I brought you an apple.
Yes, and it's shiny and red. You're such a good student, Timmy. Great. So that's the simple verbal offer, yes-anding that verbal offer and accepting it. And this is a great foundation now. We know each other's names. We know a little bit about our relationship. And we can start the scene running. We don't need to have any conflict yet. We're just trying to establish what's going on. Making a verbal offer and accepting a verbal offer through yes and. So that's a little demonstration about making a verbal offer.